Hello, welcome to How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button so you can get new videos as they come out. Still trying to grow the channel, so I'd appreciate that. And if this is the first video you're seeing, then you probably want to go back and catch up with video number 1. This is the 5th video in the series that we're doing today. So let's jump on in. We're talking about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, and we're doing it through this very simple yet effective affiliate marketing funnel, okay? And where most of the focus has been on these past few videos is right here on how to create email opt-in pages, right? So if you look back here, first video we talked overview, second how to choose a niche and how to choose an offer, and these last few videos have been about how to create your email opt-in page. And I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can create that email opt-in page. The first video, we showed you how to create it in the email autoresponder, either Aweber or GetResponse are the two I would recommend. I'll leave links for those down below. And method 2, if you have hosting already and a domain and you know how to use the Elementor plugin, then that can be very effective. Again, you do need a domain name and you need a hosting account to do this method. Now, the third method that I'm going to show you today is we're going to use the HBA Funnel Builder, which is a online software that's a drag and drop funnel builder. And the nice thing about this is that it is super easy because, like I said, it's drag and drop. You do not need, you don't technically need a domain, but it's probably good to have one. And the other big thing is you do not need any hosting because they host all your pages for you. And so let's go ahead and look at how we'll use the HBA Funnel Builder to create this email opt-in page. So the Home Business Academy actually has several different products. We're just focusing on their funnel builder. They do have some premium version, which is all about traffic and conversions. So if you need help with traffic, this is actually really, really good. They have a financial literacy academy to kind of help you, get set up for success financially. And they have a really great affiliate program, which we'll talk a little bit more as well. But we're really just talking about the HBA Funnel Builder. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the sales page for the Funnel Builder where you can, certainly watch through the video. And it is only $25 a month. And I know you might be thinking that sounds like a lot, but when you take into account you have complete control over how your pages look, and it's drag and drop simple, and you do not need hosting, that's actually a really, really good deal. So let's go down and look real quick here on the sales page. I mean, these are all the different things that you can create. You can, we're talking about lead capture pages, but you can do sales pages, webinar pages, checkout pages, upsell pages, membership sites. You can create an entire funnel. You can, do entire websites. So they just have tons and tons of things that you can do with it. And then you get all these things are included. You get the Funnel Builders Academy, okay? And that is, if we go back here, where they have tremendous training, right? So they take you through step by step how to get started, how to set up your funnel builder, and then extensive training. So you get all that included. You see all the reviews there. You get live interactive training and help once a month. They have a mastermind. So you can do that. They have a Telegram account and live training that's available as well. They have a super supportive Facebook group. Again, unlimited pages, so you're not limited in what you can do. And then their affiliate program, you can get 80% commissions, right? So when you're building an online business, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and promote tools that you're using. Okay, we talked about Aweber pays a 40% recurring commission monthly. We talked about GetResponse, I think, is 30%. And the HBA Funnel Builder, actually all of the HBA products pay 80% commissions. So even if you just had one person start with HBA Funnel Builder, then if we just do some quick math, right? So the HBA Funnel Builder does cost $25 a month. But if you have one person that gets started and you make 80% commissions, now that means you're earning a 20% commission, a $20 commission, I should say. 80% of 25 is $20, and so now your funnel builder only costs $5 a month. And much like I do with my Aweber and hosting and whatnot, as I use those commissions from promoting it to other people to pay for the service, okay? And same thing with the funnel builder, you can have it pay for it yourself, right? And there it is. You get $20 per month for every customer that you refer to us, okay? And yeah, say if you have 2 customers, you're actually getting paid to use it, okay? Like I say, super great Facebook community, Telegram community, etc. Okay, so that is the sales page if you're interested. Let's jump right on into this is what it looks like when you get into the funnel builder. And very simple. The nice thing is they have tons of done for you examples. So if I go over here and click on funnels, you can see these are the different funnels that I've made. Okay, and they're kind of sectioned off. Okay, so we'll go down here to example. Let me just click on that one. Well, actually, let's go back. I'm sorry. Let's go and so we're going to work on this example for this video. But before we do that, you could add a next step, and you could add a pop-up. You could again add a section label to create a new funnel. But I just want to show you all the different templates that they have. And so when you go in here, you can see these different categories, and so these are all different lead capture pages, and these are all in here for you to use. And so you don't have to try and be a design expert and start from scratch. These are all done for you, and then you just go in and make some very simple edits to get them exactly the way you want. Okay, so tons and tons, right? I'm not even at the bottom yet. Thank you pages, again, lots and lots of examples. I got to scroll all the way back up to the top so you can see them. If you need some privacy pages, about us page, links page, giveaway page, just tons, right? Webinar pages, sales pages, checkout, membership pages, coming soon pages, and then users of HBA Funnel Builder also will provide pages that they use and that they share with other users. And so again, you can go through and look at some of these that they provide and see if these are things that you would like to use for yourself, maybe in your business. Okay. And then at the very bottom, if you want an empty page, you can use that. So we're not going to go ahead and add a page right now. We're just going to go into this example just to show you how it works. So here's an example of an opt-in page, and you can go in here and you can change whatever you want. Okay. So like I say, if you want a bigger space up here, you just drag it bigger or smaller. If you want to go in here and you want to change the text, you can change it. You can highlight it, bold, change the font, change the size. You can pretty much do anything you want. Go down here. This is the opt-in form. Now you're going to connect it to, so when you click on settings, it'll open up. You connect it to your Aweber or GetResponse account, whichever you choose. And that will then go to, and the email will automatically be added to your Aweber or GetResponse. And so again, it's really that simple. Again, everything is drag and drop. You just make it as simple as you want. You can add a block down here, and again, whatever you want in that block. If you want to add something, let's say for example, you want to add a widget, and so this is where it's HBA Funnel Builder is kind of like Elementor. They have just different widgets that you put on. So let's say you want to add a button, you just drag it over here, put it where you want it to go. Change the text, add a second line of text, align it, open on click, so they click it, where do you want it to go? And so that's it, okay? This button, let's get rid of that. You want to delete it? Yes. But that's how you do it. And you can see all these different widgets. So you have headings, text, very similar to Elementor in that sense, icon settings, containers, images, menus, progress bars. So maybe in your funnel you want to say, you're 20% done, you're 40% done, you're 50% done, whatever. Accordion, spacers, forms, again, for lead generation, booking appointments. If you're doing a membership site, your member login, registration, quizzes, which those are pretty popular now. And then different sales things, checkouts, stores, sliders, galleries, videos, audio. You can embed HTML code. You can put a countdown timer in, maps, etc. So lots of different widgets, and then you just hit save, and then when you want to take a look at it, you just click on the URL here, and it'll open up and show you a live preview of your opt-in page. Okay, and so that's really the HBA Funnel Builder. It is super, super, super simple to use, and I would just encourage you, if you're looking for something, if we go back here and we look at these options, how to create the email opt-in page. Method number 1, you can do it in the email autoresponder. The biggest downside to that option is you're fairly limited in design style, okay? You're really pretty limited, but it is a way to do it. Method number 2, using WordPress and Elementor plugin, that definitely gives you a lot of flexibility, but you do need to have a domain name and you do need to have hosting. Now, HBA Funnel Builder, if you want to have the same flexibility as Elementor gives you, then you can get that. It's drag and drop simple. You just use the widgets, make simple changes. You can use a subdomain on there, so you don't. That's why you may not necessarily need to have a domain, although it's probably a good idea to have your own domain, and it's very easy to connect it to the Funnel Builder. And they give you, that's the great thing, they give you total setup instructions. Okay, so look here, buying and integrating your domain. That's the very first thing they show you how to do, how to integrate your autoresponder. So they show you those things. So probably a good idea. Have your own domain. Domains only cost about $10 a year. Probably worth it. But here's the other thing. You don't need hosting, right? Good hosting is probably going to cost you anywhere from $10 to $12 to maybe $15 a month. So sure, you perhaps you have some cost with HBA Funnel Builder because it is $25 a month, but they have such a great affiliate program where you can earn 80% commissions that even just one sale puts it down to $5 a month. Now, if you're using WordPress and Elementor, then obviously you need to have your own, again, hosting account, and that you are not necessarily earning commissions on. So anyway, these are the 3 options right now. Tomorrow, in the next video, I'll show you the last option, the last method for how to create your email opt-in account, and then I'll show you how you can make your affiliate funnel and how you can get that completely set up. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll pick this up in the next video.